Hey guys, I'm gonna try to be better about taking before stuff. I'm pretty terrible at this, but we'll get better. So this is the new 2011 Honda Element EX four-wheel drive. I bought sight unseen, copart. It was a flood car. Said it ran and drove. So we'll do a little walk through. Of course, we check out the looks beautiful. Wow, it looks really clean. It's originally from Puerto Rico. Original Honda running boards. Back DVD players. Here's an EX, relatively clean. Seats from being a copart. And look! Super excited! The cooler! A Honda cooler! Super stoked about that. So yeah, here's the key. Already checked fluids. Obviously, but look, we are running. Car sounds good, but no dash lights. Also, won't go into park. Basically, what I've done is do the neutral. This is gonna be hard one-handed. There we go. So put the key in there, put it in neutral. This is how I got it off the trailer. It starts, goes into gear. Let's drive. Let's go reverse. I drove it around a little bit. Seems fine. But we have no dash lights. AC, everything else works. It looks like someone had put mothballs in. Again, this was supposed to be a flood car. Well, not supposed to be, it is. And if you notice here, there is our water line. That's our high level water line. So, other than that, before phone dies, I already went through here. I was actually fused, and I was gonna swap the dash from that one, the cluster, because no fuse looks popped. And relatively, besides the battery, clean. It's good oil. A little low on power steering, a little low on brakes, so we'll inspect that, but they felt good. Valve cover's leaking, looks like VTEC solenoid's leaking. Crusty battery. Other than that, all matching VINs everywhere, never been smacked. So that's good. We can work with this.